Feeling like a failure despite all your efforts? Have you ever wondered if there's a hidden power within you that can unlock your true potential? In this video, we will dive into the profound teachings of Buddhism to explore how you can harness the power of your subconscious mind and achieve true success. Lesson 1. Decide what you want to achieve. Think of your mind as a garden. Your desires are the seeds. Without a clear plan and goals, your garden can become overrun with weeds. If your goals are not clear, your life might be filled with deviations and inefficiencies. Start by considering your priorities. Meditation and mindfulness are used in Buddhist practices to calm the mind and connect with yourself. What makes you happy? Is it aligned with your beliefs and interests? After general contemplation, think about why these goals are important. Buddhism helps us see beyond superficial desires and understand true motivations. Self-assessment ensures that your goals are clear and specific to you. Write down your goals in detail. Clearly state what they are, why they are important, and how they align with your beliefs. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success means to you, whether it's a career, income, or lifestyle. By setting your goals, clarify your intentions and send a powerful message to your subconscious. This lays the foundation for true success. Mindful writing is a Buddhist practice. Write carefully and with focus. This attention strengthens your goals and embeds them in your subconscious. Review your goals frequently. Buddha emphasized the importance of aligning your intentions and actions with your goals. Reviewing and reflecting on your goals keeps them current and connected to your evolving self. Lesson 2. Speak positively about yourself. Buddhists value right speech. This means that your internal dialogue affects your self-perception and subconscious thoughts. This process benefits from positive affirmations. Buddhists practice right speech by saying kind, honest, and helpful words. Replace negative self-criticism with positive affirmations. Buddha taught that words create reality. Kind and honest self-talk increases self-respect and self-worth. This technique enhances self-esteem and connects your subconscious with conscious goals. Speak kindly to yourself every day. Positive present tense affirmations should align with your goals and ideals. For example, "I have the capacity to achieve my goals," "I deserve success," or "I grow and develop every day." This approach requires consistency. Repeat affirmations frequently to emphasize the message. Choose a few affirmations that resonate with you, like a Buddhist mantra, and repeat them regularly in front of a mirror. This reinforces the affirmations and strengthens your belief in them. Buddhism emphasizes verbal attention. Pay attention to how you describe yourself in conversations. Avoid self-criticism and labeling. Be kind and respectful when defining yourself. This mindful speech enhances self-esteem and connects your subconscious with your goals. Consider writing affirmations as well. Writing reinforces ideas. Write positive comments about yourself and your goals. This technique strengthens affirmations and tracks your progress. Positive self-talk reinforces self-esteem and trains your subconscious to believe in your potential, boosting self-confidence and aligning your subconscious with your goals. This leads to true success. Lesson 3. Imagine achieving your goals. Buddhism and modern psychology use visualization to influence the subconscious. By visualizing success, you train your subconscious mind to achieve it. Buddhist meditation uses imagination to develop beneficial traits and desires. Practitioners might imagine themselves with the compassion of a bodhisattva or the wisdom of Buddha. Similarly, visualizing your goals increases motivation and focus through creativity. Find a peaceful place to avoid interruptions. Close your eyes, Take deep breaths and center yourself. Then, imagine achieving your goals. Visualize the emotions you feel and how you celebrate the success. Make your visualization realistic and detailed. What do you see, hear, and feel? Lesson 4. Take time to calm your mind. Meditation is a fundamental element of Buddhist practice and is essential for calming the mind. Daily meditation helps your mind rest and clear. Focus on your breath to experience the present moment. This simple technique has a profound effect on both conscious and subconscious thoughts. Buddhism also emphasizes mindfulness practices for calming the mind. Throughout the day, focus on the present moment, observing your thoughts, feelings, and experiences without judgment. This technique reduces mental clutter and promotes inner peace. Mindfulness helps you manage negative thoughts and stay focused on your goals. Regular use of relaxation techniques is also important. Taking a few deep breaths, practicing progressive muscle relaxation, or engaging in something you enjoy can rejuvenate your mind and reduce stress. Buddhism encourages right effort, which includes leading a balanced and peaceful life. A healthy lifestyle helps you connect with your subconscious and maintain attention and focus. Relaxation activities improve your well-being. Yoga and other mindfulness movements help you relax and connect with your body. These routines reduce stress and enhance overall well-being. A peaceful mind opens your subconscious to beneficial thoughts and insights, allowing for a deeper connection with your inner wisdom and intuition. Lesson 5. Focus on positive thoughts. Buddhism teaches that thoughts shape reality. According to the principle of karma, positive thoughts produce favorable outcomes. Happy thoughts create a positive mental environment, influencing your subconscious positively. Practice gratitude by reviewing the blessings you have each day. This simple exercise helps you feel content and positive by focusing on what you have. Gratitude helps overcome negativity and encourages positivity. Spend time with positive people, do things you love, be around inspiring individuals, and read uplifting information. Embracing optimism strengthens positive thinking and supports your subconscious. Buddhists emphasize the importance of right thinking, which includes happy and healthy thoughts. Observe your thoughts and gently redirect negative or self-deprecating thoughts to something pleasant. This mindfulness exercise helps you see your thought patterns and choose healthy beliefs. Enjoy activities that naturally bring you joy, such as spending time in nature, being creative, pursuing hobbies, or engaging in volunteer work. These enjoyable activities create a healthy mental environment that supports your goals. Practice loving-kindness meditation. Cultivate love and compassion for yourself and others through this meditation. Regular practice of loving-kindness fills your heart with pleasant feelings and influences your thoughts and actions. Remember that thoughts shape reality. By intentionally thinking pleasant thoughts, you can program your subconscious for success. This positive mental environment enhances your well-being and develops your subconscious. With more positive thoughts, success and enjoyment become easier to achieve. Lesson 6. Utilize your subconscious effectively. Creative activities such as painting, writing, dancing, and music can help express your subconscious. This approach enhances creativity and reveals subconscious ideas and emotions. In Buddhism, mindful awareness involves allowing creativity to emerge and your true self to be expressed. Walking in nature can also strengthen your connection with your subconscious. Nature is ideal for meditation and self-discovery. Practice mindfulness by noticing visual, auditory, and physical sensations while walking. This can help calm your thoughts. Another effective exercise is journaling. Set aside time each day to freely write your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Stream of consciousness writing allows you to reach your subconscious and discover ideas you might not otherwise notice. Journaling helps you understand and communicate with your subconscious. Meditation is a core part of Buddhist practice and helps you access your subconscious. Daily meditation on breath or mantras is recommended. This technique relaxes you and allows subconscious ideas to emerge. Meditation helps you understand yourself better and enhances your inner connection. Buddhists also emphasize the importance of daily awareness. Focus on the present moment while eating, walking, or performing tasks. This mindful awareness helps you connect with your subconscious and understand its subtle influences on your thoughts and behaviors. Trust your instincts. Your subconscious has a strong intuition. Buddhism views intuition as inner knowledge from a clear mind. Making choices aligned with your values requires trusting your instincts. Develop your intuition through mindfulness awareness and meditation practices. These methods calm your mind and help you pay attention to subconscious instincts. Learn to distinguish between instincts and fear-based or impulsive behaviors. Buddhists emphasize trust in inner guidance and self-confidence. Consider your inner voice when making decisions and believe in your subconscious's greater knowledge. Regular meditation and mindfulness help calm daily noise and listen to your inner knowledge. True knowledge lies within your inner self. By following your instincts, you honor your inner knowledge. This trust involves recognizing and acting on small signs and insights. Reflective techniques strengthen intuition. Review your experiences and decisions daily. Consider how your instincts affected your choices and outcomes. This reflection enhances your intuition and confidence in its guidance. Use techniques like mindfulness, meditation, and journaling to develop intuition. Regular practice improves your intuition and subconscious connection. Living in harmony with your true self is another lesson in Buddhism. When your actions and choices align with your ideals and knowledge, you experience harmony and satisfaction. Trusting your instincts helps you live authentically and make healthy decisions. Honoring inner guidance strengthens your subconscious connection and leads to successful decisions. This inner direction empowers you to overcome obstacles and seize opportunities. Lesson 7. Develop healthy habits to nourish your subconscious. Buddhism teaches that developing healthy habits nurtures the mind and soul. Healthy habits include regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep. These practices contribute to overall well-being and enhance the mind's ability to focus and achieve goals. For example, physical activity releases endorphins, which improve mood and mental clarity. A balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients for optimal brain function. Good sleep is essential for cognitive health and emotional stability. Creating a daily routine that includes these elements helps maintain a healthy and productive mindset. Routine practices, such as regular meditation, exercise, and mindful eating, nurture your subconscious and create a solid foundation for success. Regular self-care helps you stay connected with your goals and maintain a positive mindset. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of living mindfully and taking care of your body and mind. By nourishing your body and mind, you can achieve balance and success. Lesson 8. Create a vision board. A vision board is a tool to visualize your goals and dreams. It involves creating a visual representation of your aspirations using images, words, and symbols. This technique aligns your subconscious with your conscious goals and desires. Buddhists use visualization and creative expression to align their intentions with their actions. Creating a vision board involves selecting images and words that resonate with your goals and desires. Arrange them on a board or digital platform and display it in a prominent place. Regularly review and update your vision board to reflect your evolving goals. This practice keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind and reinforces your commitment. Visualization and vision boards are powerful tools for manifesting your desires. Regularly engaging with your vision board helps focus your subconscious mind on achieving your goals. Lesson 9. Be patient with yourself. Achieving your goals and reprogramming your subconscious takes time. Buddhism teaches patience and persistence. Be patient with yourself as you work towards your goals and practice self-improvement. Understand that change occurs gradually and requires consistent effort. Celebrate small successes and learn from setbacks. Recognize that your journey involves growth and learning. Self-compassion and patience are key to maintaining motivation and staying on track. Trust in your progress and continue to nurture your subconscious with positive practices. Buddhism offers profound insights into harnessing the power of the subconscious mind. By setting clear goals, speaking positively, visualizing success, calming the mind, focusing on positive thoughts, and using creative methods, you can unlock your true potential. Embrace these teachings and apply them to your life to achieve true success and fulfillment. Remember that true transformation comes from within, and by aligning your subconscious with your conscious goals, you can create a life of purpose and achievement.